Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about petrol. So in my previous vlog you guys have seen I'm filling power petrol in my bike, and then I received multiple comments from people saying that why power instead of normal petrol, or it's not a sports bike, it's not a higher capacity bike, and why you actually need power petrol. Normal petrol will do the job. Another question was, suppose if we guys are filling normal petrol, we shifted to power, and after power petrol again back to normal, will it harm the engine of the bike? So first I will tell you the difference between normal petrol and power petrol. On the internet it's said that the power petrol has higher octane number. Octane number is grade given to the petrol, like we say 24 karat, 18 karat gold, just like that 80% octane, 90% octane numbers are given to petrol. So higher the octane number, the better is the petrol, or it's good. Whoa, that was close. So yeah, coming back to the topic, higher the octane value or number, the good or the better the petrol is. So the petrol distributors or companies claim that there are certain benefits if you use power petrol instead of the normal petrol. Some advantages you can say. The first one is low emission. I don't know how it works, but yeah, I will not take the name of the company, but on their website it's mentioned that if you use a petrol there will be low emission levels from your bike. Another company is claiming that if you use a petrol, the fuel economy or fuel efficiency will increase. Another company is claiming that petrol is good for engine, and while the vehicle is in motion, it actually cleans the engine. So I don't know how it actually works. Some companies are claiming that if you put a petrol, there will be considerable increase in the performance, that is acceleration and top end performance of the vehicle. And even some companies are claiming that there won't be engine braking problem if you use a performance petrol. So there is slightly difference in the the prices of power petrol and normal petrol. 5 or 10 rupees difference is there. So just few facts about power petrol and normal petrol. Yes, the octane number, the petrol we get, the power petrol we get here in India, the octane number is slightly higher as compared to the normal petrol, but it's not that high as you can expect. As they claim, the performance will increase. So if your bike is capable of doing 100, it won't do 110, 150, but there will be, considerable difference in the acceleration of the bike. And trust me guys, I have experienced that thing, and that's the reason why I always put power petrol, speed or extra premium, most of the time speed, in my bike. And since beginning I am using power petrol. So multiple questions. The second question was that if we shift from power to normal, will it harm our bike? Definitely not, because while doing long rides, it's not possible that at each and every fuel station you will get power petrol or it will be available over there. And at the end of the day, it's petrol. But the difference is that at few fuel stations, what they do, they mix some other chemicals in the petrol, and what it does is it adds value to the petrol. So instead of getting petrol, you get some different chemicals which smells and feels like petrol. Most of us have heard यार कि दूध वाला दूध में पानी मिलाता है. So some fuel stations do that. I mean, they mix some other chemicals or material in the petrol which is cheaper than petrol. So I hope you guys have experienced that. अरे कोई एक दो बार ऐसा होगा कि बाइक का जो एवरेज होता है, फ्यूल इकोनॉमी होगी, वो बहुत नीचे आ जाएगी. मतलब 5-6 किलोमीटर से आपका एवरेज होगा वो कम हो जाएगा. आई होप यू गाइज हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट. सो इफ़ यू गाइज हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट थिंग, इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू नॉट गो टू दैट पेट्रोल पंप अगेन. लेफ्ट में क्या आ रहा है यार? So it's time for you to not go to that petrol pump again, because definitely there is something wrong with the fuel station and the fuel which they give. Second, another question I received, it's required as if we should always feel power petrol in our bike, whether it be a higher capacity motor or a commuter like Haste. The answer is it's up to you. If you have got the money and if you want something good, I'm not saying normal petrol is bad, but there are some advantages if you spend a little bit more. So it's your personal preference, because I have experienced that whenever I put normal petrol in Haste, I feel the throttle to be a bit sluggish. I mean, not till that margin, but if I pull it, like this thing, I face few differences. I'm not saying that I'm 100% sure about it. It might be my opinion or my experience, and I won't say that it will happen to you, but हुआ है मेरे साथ. So that's another thing. What other questions I received? Okay, we'll go to the verdict now, as whether you should put power petrol in your vehicle or the normal petrol will do the job. The normal petrol will do the job. It's up to you. It's up to your preference. If you need or if you have got the extra cash and you need some more benefits, I don't know till what extent you will get them based on the bike which you ride. So if you have got something like CBR 250 or something like that, it's always recommended to go with power petrol, especially with fuel injected bikes. Carbureted bikes, it's not that required. So that's pretty much it about today's vlog. I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Up till then, this is Ravitab signing off. Ride safe and don't be a squid. Thanks for watching. That was a pretty awkward looking handlebar.